Okay, so this is the damage that deer caused to the car. As you can see, to bend a little bit back the fender, it was scraping the tire, so most likely bumper will have to be replaced. The headlight, just if you open the hood, it just comes right off. All the brackets that are holding the bumper here are broken, and mountings for the headlight is broken as well. So, and it bent the fender a little bit here. As you can see, it's pretty much flushed with the door, so there's no gap that it's supposed to be there. So it really sucks.